In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and shop using the Uniqlo Philippines website, focusing specifically on their women's clothing and accessories section. Whether you're a longtime fan of Uniqlo or you're shopping here for the first time, this guide will help you get the most out of your online shopping experience. First things first, let's visit the Uniqlo Philippines website. When you open the homepage, you'll find a variety of options that make navigation simple and straightforward. In this instance, our main interest is the women's clothing and accessories section. To get there, look at the top menu bar or sometimes a side menu depending on how the site is configured at the time. There should be a clearly labeled section for women. Clicking on this will take you to a dedicated space filled with categories such as outerwear, tops, bottoms, and so on. Each category is neatly arranged to make sure you can find what you're looking for with ease. Once you're in the women's section, browse through the wide selection of apparel and accessories. You might want to take note of the current promotions or best-selling items, which are often highlighted in this section. To view more details about any item you're interested in, just click on the product image or name. This will take you to a dedicated page where you can see detailed images, read a comprehensive description, and check the product's size and color options. It's essential to verify these details carefully to ensure that you're making the right choice. After selecting the items you intend to purchase, it's time to proceed to your cart. You can find the cart icon, typically located in the upper right corner of the page, which acts as a quick link to view all the delightful picks you're planning to buy. Clicking on the cart icon will bring up a summary of your selected items. This summary will provide you with the quantities, sizes, colors, and of course, the total price of your selections. Here, it's vital to double check every item to ensure everything is exactly how you want it before proceeding to the checkout. Before finalizing your purchase, Uniqlo may offer suggestions for other products you might enjoy. While these add-ons can be tempting, it's a good idea to keep your initial shopping goals in mind to avoid any unnecessary expenditures. Once you're certain of your selections, proceed to the checkout process, where you'll need to enter your shipping details and payment information securely. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly shop and find the perfect pieces to add to your wardrobe from Uniqlo's women's clothing and accessories section. Happy shopping, and may